Hello. In this video we are going to talk about our new capability to generate public notice affidavits, which we refer to as legal affidavits in the software, which was introduced in version 2019.1 of AccountScout. So let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up this new report 451 Legal Affidavits. I'm going to show you how to generate the affidavits. In another video we will show you how to set everything up. So first thing I'm going to do is pick a date range that works with the data that I have. And I'm going to pick a sales type of legal and then just click view. This will show us that we have 3 orders that meet this filter criteria for which we want to generate an affidavit. We have this new button here called Generate Affidavits. We simply select a template and click the Generate button. What this does now is it generates a copy of the affidavits. I'm going to go ahead and collapse this. So an image of each public notice that meets the filter criteria is displayed on the right hand side. Then we have some other information here as well. We have the date that it started, we have a description of the affidavit, we have how many times it ran, and another date of which it started. At the top we have our logo for the ABC Times and the current date. And then over here we have some information. We have the name of the advertiser, an order number, number of issues, publication count, price of the order, and then the date, the publication, the date. All these are, this entire document is customizable, and you can pick which fields you would like to show for each of the affidavits. I'll go ahead and scroll down. Here's another one. It's a larger affidavit. This is the name of the company that will receive the affidavit. We actually insert the billing address as a merge field, so that way we can fold this and put it in a number 10 window envelope. However, you might be attaching it with an invoice, and you might use address on the invoice, but this helps you match them up as well. And this is the third one. This one is pretty small and compressed because it was a very long affidavit in the paper. It might have spanned multiple columns. We don't know how many columns it spanned in the paper, but this is the actual image here. I'll show you in another video how we can use MS Word to manually split that into multiple images so that it's more readable. But everything here is editable. So this document is actually editable. We can go in and we can make changes to it. When we're done with it, we can just save it as a PDF, which is what we recommend in order to print. We have different templates. So that was a one-page affidavit, so each affidavit shows up on one page. This one is a 2-page affidavit. And what we did here was we made it a little wider, and we had all of our information, and then we made it so we had more space for the actual add copy. And at the top we have again the name of the company, which in this case is Fake Brains, and then the order number. So if you have a duplex printer, you can just print it on 2 sides, and the front and the back will be one sheet will be for each of the affidavits. But gives us a little more space, but we will actually size the image to fit the box that we have available here. So this is what it looks like when we export it to a PDF. Now obviously at this point it's not editable, but you can see what you have here, and you can go ahead and print those and they'll be ready to mail. So that's the 2-page, and here's the 1-page, what it would look like. All right. And these are just templates that we created. You can go ahead and start with our template, or you can create your own from scratch.